Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, this is Ratinder Singh. In the previous video, we had a talk about few topics of class 12's first chapter. Few topics were left in that video. In this video, we'll talk about that one topics. This is a part 2 of that topic. In that video, the last topic was string creation, and that everyone knows nothing now. Here I have taken a variable a, and in that variable the value is assigned hello students. Whenever I'll print a, the output will come to hello students. And by the input function, here a is a variable input function, then this is the display message. Whenever user will enter any message and then the user will print a, the output will come. So our next topic is traversal of string. Process to access each and every characters of a string for the purpose to display or for some other purpose is called string traversal. Here I have taken a variable named a. Here I have taken a variable named is name, and the value of variable is golden. In the next line I have used for loop a in name, and then I print that with the for loop print a, and here is a asterisk, this is, and the output will come like this. Let's take example. Let's have a look on the script mode of this program. For example, I'll take s equals to golden, then for a in s colon, then I'll use print function, print a comma, here I use asterisk comma and equals to quotation marks. Now I'll save this program. Save, run. The output will come like this. Okay. The next topic is string operations. There are two operations that can be used for work upon string, plus and asterisk. Here plus means addition mark and asterisk is used for multiplication. It is used to join two strings, means with the plus operator we can join two strings. For example, like t plus pot equals to teapot. 1 plus 2 will result into 12. Here I'll show you in the practicals. 1 2 3 plus ABC will result into 1 2 3 ABC. Let's have a look again. T plus pot, the answer will come teapot. Here 1 plus 2 equals to 1 plus 2 will 12. How is that possible? Because here 1 is counted as a string value right? And if we'll use directly like number values 1 plus 2, it will give the answer 3, because here we are using 1 as a string and 2 that is also as a string. Now next one is multiplication. For example, I'll use 5 multiply dollar sign. It will print dollar 5 times. These kind of expressions are invalid. These kinds of expressions are invalid. Now next topic is list creation. List is a standard data type of Python. It is a sequence which can store value of any kind. List is represented by square brackets. In the previous video we have seen string we are creating with the quotation marks with the round brackets, but to create list we have to use square brackets. Here are some examples. To create empty list we'll use only square brackets, and this list is which is called integer list, and this list with numbers, with point numbers, number list, integer and floats. This list will called character list, and this list will called mixed value list. This is called string list. In Python only list and dictionary are mutable data types. Rest of all the data types are immutable. List creation means how can we create list. For example, empty list, here L equals to square brackets, it will be counted as empty list. To create long list we can use a variable equals to after that number, and this is called nested. Nested list means a list inside the list. Okay, for example, A equals to empty list. Whenever I'll print A, the only square brackets will print it. For example, if I'll create S equals to n square brackets 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, then I'll print S, the answer will come 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and W equals to 34, 45, W equals to 34, 45, then comma square bracket 23, 43, then round square bracket, comma 34, 25. Then whenever I'll print W, the list will print. This is called nested list. Difference between list and string. Main difference between list and string is that string is immutable, whereas list is mutable data type. Individual values in string can't be changed, whereas it is possible in list, means we can change the value in list. List operations, we can perform these kinds of operations in the list. Main operation that can be performed on list are joining list, replacing list, and list slicing. To join list, plus operator is used, which joins a list at the end of other list. With plus operator, both the operands should of list type, otherwise error will be generated. Let's have a look. For example, a equals to, here I'll create a list 1, 2, 3, 4. B equals to, again I'll create a list 5, 6, 7, 8. Then now I'll use C equals to A plus B. Let's print C. The answer will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The replicating a list with asterisk or multiplication operator is used. Here L1 equals to 1, 2, 3, L2 equals to L1 multiplication of 3. The output will come 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's check it. For example, Q equals to 2, 4, 6. C equals to Q multiply 4. Whenever I'll print C, the answer will come 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. The answer is printed 4 times because I have used here value 4. Next data type is tuple. Here we learn how to create a tuple. In Python, round parenthesis, creation of tuple. In Python, parentheses are used for tuple creation. With round brackets is empty tuple. This is called integer tuple. This is called number tuples. This is called characters tuple. It will called mixed value tuple. This is called string tuple. Tuple is immutable sequence whose value cannot be changed. For example, s equals to, whenever we'll print s, there is empty tuple. Again, s equals to 9. The value for s is 9. Creation of tuple. Look at the following examples. These are the examples to create tuples. To create an empty tuple, we'll use parenthesis. To create, this is called single elements tuple because we are using here only single elements, and these are called long tuples. These are called nested tuples. Nested tuples, the tuples value inside the tuple values. Here p equals to, whenever I'll print p, the output will come nothing. It will print only empty parenthesis. And p equals to 2. It will be called single value elements. Now p equals to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 13, 15, 1000, comma. Whenever I'll print p, the output will come like this. With the same, we can create nested tuple also. Here the example to accessing a tuple means how can we access a tuple as accessing individual elements. Here L equals to A, E, I, O, U. L means 0. Here 0 means this is the index number of the elements. For example, T equals to A, comma E, now I'll printing the answer will come A, E, I, O, U. Suppose if we need to print any special value from this variable, then we'll use indexing numbers. Let's have a look. P and then I'm using 2. It will print I. For example, if you know the indexing numbers, it will left to right in positive numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and right to left is -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. For example, we can print A with two methods like P 0, it will print A, and with the different index numbers we'll use P -5, it will also print value A. Here is the example of tuples also. Here T equals to tuple, Python print T end parenthesis print. Here I'll use for loop A in T, print equals to A. The output will come like this. Our next and last topic is in this video dictionary, means how can we create a dictionary in Python. To create a dictionary is needed to collect pairs of keys and value, means to say to create a dictionary we'll use two kinds of values. The first value is key and next one is values. Here we'll save, here is the example. For example, here we'll write name of the dictionary, key, then value of the keys, then second key, the value of the second key, then next one is the third key and value of the third key. For example, here is the variable teachers equals to, here we'll use these kind of brackets is called curly brackets. Teachers equals to Rajiv, this name is a key and the value of the Rajiv is maths. Here is APA, the value of the AP is physics. Next one is APS, the value of the APS is chemistry. SB, the value of SB is CS. In the above examples, the values is like this. The pair of the keys and values: Rajiv maths, APA physics, AP is chemistry, SB CS. The keys is Rajiv, APA, APA, SB, and values are maths, physics, chemistry, and CS. Dictionary creation. To create a dictionary, it is needed to collect pairs of keys and values. In some examples of dictionaries are again here. By above examples, you can easily understand about the keys and their values. One thing to be taken care of that Key should always be immutable types. No dictionary is also known as associative array or mapping or hashes. So here all the topics are finished of first chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives.